Now available at McCarthy cars is a 64H Fiat 500L 1.3 Multijet turbo diesel. The vehicle has got a 17-inch of Fiat alloy wheels, and it's got a rear parking sensors. So it's very well maintained. It's got split forward and rear seats. It's got this shelf in here, and if I take it out, so you get more room in the boat. In the front, it's got the front forks. It's got adaptive cruise control, which I'm gonna talk in a minute when we get into the car. So the interior is a velour at the back. It's got some touch of leather in the front. As you can see on the doors, it's got the leather as well. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation, 5 headrests, center armrest, and for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. Very safe car. On the door it's got the electric windows and mirrors. So got some leather on the door again, and on the seats it's got some leather on the sides. Very clean seats. I'm gonna start the vehicle. So the vehicle is done only 16,000 miles, as you can see on the clock. It's got automatic gearbox. It's got economic mode as well. And then it's got traction plus. It's got multifunctional steering wheel with voice commands you connect. Then it's got paddle shifts and the adaptive cruise control. Then it's got air conditioning. USB slot and aux in. Then it's got the CD player radio in here. It's got the city mode, which makes the power steering wheel double lighter. It's very easy to turn. Then it's got start and stop function. If you go to the media, to the source, you can see it's got the CD player, aux in, USB, and it's got Bluetooth audio, which allows you to stream music directly from your phone without using any cables. This was the quick overview of the Fiat 500L Multijet. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.